दे आओ देसी जे गीता ट्रैप जी बीटा।
हेलो गाइस, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, सत श्री अकाल। कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप यू ऑल गाइस आर डूइंग वेल। सो आज जिस गाने पे हम रिएक्ट करने जा रहे हैं उसका नाम है पेले एगी थमोई एंड इट हैज़ बीन रिक्वेस्टेड बाय आवर सब्सक्राइबर बिंदिया। सो बिंदिया, थैंक यू फॉर कमेंटिंग ऑन माय वीडियो एंड थैंक यू फॉर सच लवली वर्ड्स। एंड मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द वीडियो, मैंने एक पोल पुट अप किया था एंड यू गाइस वांटेड द सेम, सो हियर आई एम डिलीवरिंग व्हाट यू वांट। तो देखते हैं गाना, उसको डिस्कस करेंगे कि गाना हमें कैसे लगा। उससे पहले अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज गो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी अदर टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। ऑल सेट। आर्ट शुड कंफर्ट द डिस्टर्ब। आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट द सॉन्ग। पहले एगी थमोई का मतलब क्या होता है गाइस? प्लीज लेट मी नो।
हाय सोम से रिसर्च में गिला को नत्रा ओ मानी सिगी पेंटिंग सिगी मतंग de kitang sandok mo takpi ba yani ye sise kohima expedition ko we buka sise 18 excuse me no problem.
Description is Soma Laishram. Soma Laishram is the one who was in a Nong Likla Pirangala, if I'm not wrong. Yes, and that song was awesome. This one's interesting. Cute guy. Music. That music is dangerous.
Saktachudu, khwaidagi changkhonbina. Mahak taki thokibana. Ningsinglubada tujungminai. Adu mahaki thauna, mahaki nithijabadi. Malemsida mutnaidana lehuragani.
I wish I could understand the language. Damn, this is something different, man. ये कुछ अलग है.
Chugli pai biro sando biro ay hapun naning tau biro nangna aigi punsigi chugli pai biro sando biro ay hapun naning tau biro Pelle Eigi Thamoi kaina bading namoy Pelle Eigi Thamoi Pelle Eigi Thamoi Pelle Eigi Thamoi kaina bading namoy Pelle Eigi Thamoi
की वाइब कुछ अलग ही है. It's quite a different vibe. It's different from the songs I have watched. I watched Manipuri songs. But it's different. Different in a good way.
ones home from your dream.
So it has different vibes to the song, which makes it exciting.
Pelle Eigi Thamoi, Pelle Eigi Thamoi, kaina badi Thamoi, Pelle Eigi Thamoi.
Soma looks good.
Excuse me, sir. Sige area si guest queue na di permitted oidam ne. Sombo tiram ba nga side?
Hujik na pidaw ka na.
Sida kanong pa eh.
Nice. Whoa, that song had some different vibe to it. And frankly speaking, मैं expect नहीं कर रहा था. I was not expecting this. I thought it's a romantic song. It was, but it had different vibe to it. You know, in some part of the video, it started off very creepy with a creepy sound. I was not expecting. Then it turned out to be something romantic. It showed the actor was trapped, and when Soma came in, and her shots were amazing. And I should give kudos, man. Kudos to the choreographer, the way they have enacted the steps. I think that was awesome. Kishore की आवाज़ बेहतरीन लगी. Soma as always, she is fantastic. And सबसे अच्छी तारीफ करना चाहूँगा मैं डायरेक्टर की. डायरेक्टर का नाम है जेसन जी. And the way they have directed the video, I think it's quite different, you know, and different in a good way. So I liked it. अच्छा लगा मुझे something different, और I was totally into it. When the song started, I was worried, man. I was like, ये तो कुछ और ही लग रहा है. But as the song progressively turned out, it was amazing, and I loved it. The music by Tony, amazing. Choreographer Swami Aribam, amazing. And the costume also, the way Soma's costume was dressed, the way Soma was dressed, amazing. So yeah, thank you Bindya for suggesting me such a different video, because I was not expecting it. So guys, अगर कुछ और ऐसे वीडियो होंगे तो please let me know. We are open to all the suggestions, and I react to the videos which you guys tell me to, because I am new to this side of the music. I don't know much about it, but the more songs I am hearing from Manipur, I'm getting to know these actors, the artists like Soma, like Biju, and RK Sushant. I know these people now, and I know how good they are, and singers as well, Pushparani, HMS Nam. I've been hearing their songs and have become a big fan of them. So yeah, please let me know हम next कौन से गाने पे react करें. Put up a poll and we'll decide and we'll watch the video. तब तक अपना ध्यान रखें, अपने आसपास के लोगों का ध्यान रखें. मिलूंगा बहुत जल्द किसी और वीडियो में, और तब तक peace.